Hello guys, you are watching CPA Hacks. Before entering into this video, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share this videos who all are interested in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can earn $80 to $120 per day as a beginner. Not in a month, not in a week, but per day how you can earn $80 to $120 as a beginner in CPA marketing. Okay, so please don't skip anywhere, please watch the video fully. And before entering into this video, I'm going to tell you one thing. Tomorrow is Sunday evening 6 p.m. I'm coming live in Zoom meeting or Google Meet. Okay, this is not for my private students but for every students, every subscribers, every followers, every Telegram group members, for every people I'm going to conduct a free Zoom meeting. Okay, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to clear every doubts which you have. This is for absolutely free. You don't want to pay anything. This is absolutely free. Tomorrow at 6 p.m. evening I'm coming live in Google Meet or Zoom Meet. I'll tell you later in the Instagram story. Okay, I'll give the Instagram and Telegram links in the description, so please follow me there and get the details about tomorrow's free class. Okay, so yes, without wasting any time, let's move on to the video. First, open Offer Vault. This is Offer Vault is a website where you can get many affiliate program things, many CPA marketing program things. Every offers you will get here. This is a genuine website, 100% only genuine links you will get from here. They won't be get any spamming here. So this is a 100% genuine website. You can get any links from here. Okay, so first you are going to do CPA marketing. Okay, first we should select a country. Okay, for an example, let me choose United UK. Okay, United Kingdom will be better. Okay, and the category should be any coupons. Okay, so let me check here. Okay, for this offer you are getting $1.90, for this $16. So let us use this. Okay, let us use this free Samsung S22 giveaway thing. For this offer you are getting $16. Okay, so I think this is CPA marketing. No, this is not a CPA marketing. Okay, let us choose any other link. Okay, okay, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, this is also not a thing. Okay, CPL offer, click per leads. Okay, so yes, this is offer. This is a CPA marketing offer. Okay, so if you have completed this offer, you will get $10 simply. Okay, for first let us click on run offer. Now you will get a sign up option. So what is this sign up option means? This particular program's official website. Okay, so this is an official website. You should go there and you should give your personal details and grab your link. Okay, so after you have successfully signed up, you will get your CPA link. Okay, after getting the CPA link, you know what is the next procedure. You should not paste anywhere. You should not post you should not post in any social medias this link directly. So you need a landing page. Okay, so how to create a landing page, how to create an attractive landing page, everything I have made a separate video for it. I'll give the link in the description, you can watch it there. Okay, so after you have completed a successfully landing page, first you have to get a CPA link. After getting the CPA link, you have to create a landing page. After creating the landing page, this is the final step. This is the earning step, traffic source. Okay, so it's a simple thing. Okay, just go to Facebook. Okay, so yeah, this is the Facebook page. This is my personal Facebook page. Just click on groups and just search for UK mobiles on search, click on groups. Here you will get the websites. Okay, mobile dog grooming UK, mobile accessories UK. This all groups is regarding UK country, so mostly UK people only available in this groups. Just join in every group, okay. Then click on the group. Okay, so after they have approved your things, you will get an option here. Okay, you can post anything in the group. Okay, so don't do anything, just do a simple content. Okay, complete this offer and get your free iPhone 13 Pro Max. So most of the people have an idea to buy a mobile, but if they got a chance to get a free iPhone, means definitely they will complete the task and they will give a try. So if one person have completed your task, means automatically you will get $9.60. It's nearly $10. So for an example, per day you are posting in 50 groups. Only just 20 people have completed the task, means out of 50 only 20 people have completed the task, means 20 into $9.60, so $192. Okay, solidly you are getting $192 per day. So this is absolutely a best method. Anyone can use this, and as a beginner, please start now and start earning your money. Okay, and last but not least, you know guys, we are running a private session. If you want our personal guidance, if you want any personal doubts clearing sessions, everything we are giving you. If you want to join with us, you can join with our students. Nearly 720 people have joined with our private session. We have 720 students. Okay, so you also can join with them, and you also can start earning with them. We have a separate community for it. If you want to know how to join and where to join everything, I will give the link in the description, my Instagram and Telegram page. You can click there and you can ask me personally. Okay, I will explain you about each and everything. Thank you guys, have a nice day. Tomorrow I'm going to upload one more video, and tomorrow don't forget, it's Sunday, 6 PM I'm coming live for you. It's absolutely free for every country, any country people can join there. This is a free session. I'm going to clear you every doubts, so please be on time. Exactly 6 PM IST time I'll be there in the private class. Okay, so please join the students. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.